Hello, welcome back. Today we're making breakfast egg rolls and gravy. I wanted to make something for the Lunar New Year, and it's not really your traditional egg roll, but it's for breakfast, and that's one of my favorite meals of the day. So right now you see me dicing up some peppers. I've got orange and yellow, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dice up an onion as well. And doing a little quick Google search, for the Chinese New Year, most people make egg rolls or fried spring rolls because they resemble gold bars and symbolize wealth and prosperity. All right, and on to the next step. We're gonna need 4 eggs. We're gonna go ahead and add those into a bowl and then go ahead and whisk them until they're nice and smooth. All right, we're gonna add a tablespoon of butter to the pan to saute our onions and peppers. All right, now it's time to add our eggs to the mix, and we're going to just keep scrambling those until they're done. I just realized we're making an egg roll. Salt and pepper to taste, however you like to make your scrambled eggs. And right after this, we're gonna go ahead and make our gravy. So total, we'll need 2 cups of milk, but only put 1.5 in the pot right now. Then we're gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon and a half of butter. And salt and pepper to taste again. I've got high blood pressure and I know some of you guys do, so be careful. A little bit of poultry seasoning to give it that sausage gravy type taste. Let's go ahead and bring it to a boil and mix in a 1/2 cup of milk with 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken that gravy. Now while making the gravy, I should have given the scrambled eggs enough time to cool down so that we can wrap it up in the egg roll wrapper without the wrapper ripping. Alrighty, let's roll our egg rolls. Now we're gonna start with cheddar cheese, a scoop of the egg mixture with the wrapper diagonal. And to make sure it's completely sealed, you're going to fold the bottom inward first, and then you're gonna fold the 2 sides in, and then roll the rest. And we're gonna use a little bit of water on the top triangular piece to keep it all sticking together, and you'll notice that I'll wipe my finger into the triangle to keep it all sticking together. Gee, look at that beautiful roll. Now put them in the air fryer at 390 for 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. God, those are crispy. We're gonna go ahead and plate it on a small plate, all artsy fartsy like, with a side of that country gravy. Now I know you wanna see the inside of this thing, so let's cut it open and see what's inside. Good golly dang, look at the inside of that egg roll. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip it inside of that sausage gravy that we made. Oh, and let's give it a little bit of a taste test. Ooh, baby. These things were delicious and I hope you will enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching and make sure you like and subscribe.